Forever Ultra Light Vanilla is seriously a game changer for anyone looking to up their protein intake without the extra calories. This stuff is packed with 15 grams of protein per serving, and it's super low in carbs and sugar. Perfect for those busy mornings or post-workout recovery. What I love most is how versatile it is. You can mix it with water, almond milk, or toss it into a smoothie for that creamy vanilla flavor. It blends so smoothly, you won't even know it's a protein shake. Plus, it's got essential vitamins and minerals, so it's not just about the protein, it's about fueling your body right. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good vanilla flavor? It's like a little treat without the guilt. Whether you're hitting the gym or just need a quick snack, Forever Ultra Light Vanilla has got you covered. It's delicious, nutritious, and makes sticking to your goals a whole lot easier.